This is Mr. Afo Joseph. I call him Omo, and he calls me Baba. So it's been a long journey. He's an agro business expert, and he's the CEO of Vine Solutions Limited. You see, there's something I want you to understand about agri business. It is one of the biggest businesses in Africa. In fact, that is the AI of Africa. So if you are looking for solutions to create, look for solutions in agriculture, agribusiness, and farming. So, and if you're looking for the best hand in that industry, I recommend to you Mr. Afo Joseph. He's been doing wonders. So very soon we'll also unveil some of the things that he is doing in his factory at Ogun State, and we'll let you know how you can also be part of this move. Like I told you, Herbal farm is one of the best investment that you can also start, and there's nothing like omonile disturbing you on Herbal farm. There's no full men coming to your farm to eat anything, and it is cool money shining business.
Now we have all our seedlings here, which we'll be using for the setup of this herbal farm in this compound. We have rosemary, we have parsley, we have thyme, we have oregano, we have celery, and we also have mint and lemon balm. They are all present here. So now we also have our grow bags here ready, and we have our natural soil booster and strengthener. We have already sprinkled the Formula 1 on it. So the next for us to do now, we are going to sprinkle the Formula 2. So this Formula 2 is also produced from compost pig dung and also compost poultry waste and loamy soil for close to 1 year. So they are going to help to strengthen and to boost the nutrients of this original soil. These are original soil here.
So how many soil do we have altogether now?
So altogether now we have 2 different types of soil here mixed with our organic soil booster and fertilizer.
Okay.
So first we are now going to mix this one, having sprinkling the first concentration on it. The bags.
Okay.
This is farmer's grade grow bag.
The
You can
hose.
see, yes, you can see it is perforated.
Okay.
This is to allow excess water to come out of it.
Okay.
Because it's not advisable that, this is nylon, it's not like your sack bag where the water can leak out. So this one, if the water remains there for a long time, it can also affect the roots of your crop, even though they need water.
Okay.
But there has to be some level of place where it should be controlled.
And these nylons, are they durable like that?
Yes, they are durable. Like the ones we have in our farm, this is going to, some of them is, we have been using them now for close to 14 months.
Wow.
Yes. So they can serve for the entire life cycle of these herbs, because these herbs, they can produce for 24 months up to 26 months. They will still be producing.
So while you harvest and maintain,
You continue to harvest,
okay,
and you multiply them by cutting the vine
and
and transplanting them.
okay,
So now we are going to still add our grow medium. So this now is our grow medium.
okay.
This is what we are using now. This is our primary grow medium.
So what do you mean by grow medium?
By grow medium, I mean where the plants will sit on, where they will be able to have that, where their root will have that darkness.
Okay.
Because plant need darkness to produce darkness and light. So the roots will get that darkness from this grow medium. Then our grow bag is our secondary grow medium in this aspect.
Okay.
We're going to do transplanting now.
Okay.
So at some point, we'll still need additional soil that has been treated like this, because as you water the plants inside the bag,
It will be
some
sinking.
of the soil will escape also with the
Okay.
water. So by so doing, the soil will begin to go down. So you need to add more from time to time. So this is our celery. This celery seedling, you can see it has close to 7, yes, that's about 8 stand here. We can also multiply this one. We can cut it at the middle and make it into 2 bags instead of 1. So it is going to go into the bag just like this, as it is. That's how it will go into the bag, so that the root is not disturbed. So they don't even know if you have changed their initial environment, but they will now begin to experience a better growth due to the fact that this soil now is well treated with organic boosters, and it will begin to affect it positively. So it has gone inside. Then I will ensure that I close it very well. Close it very well like this. Then I will add some more soil to it, because this very seedling is bigger. So this one, even in the next 1 week, you can cut out from it and transplant into another bag. So this one is ready. This is oregano. So we'll put them, ensure that it goes down. The hole should be deeper. So ensure that the depth is deep. because if the depth is shallow, by the time you begin to water, at some point you begin to see some part of the root at the top, and that will affect the growth because the sun will also be hitting it directly, which is not supposed to be so. Yes.
Okay.
Oregano, almost every 3 weeks you can be harvesting and also multiplying.
Okay.
Yes. So this is also ready. So this is lemon balm.
Lemon balm.
Yes.
The odor self, the thing don't they scent well.
Yeah. Within the next couple of days, you begin to see them springing up very fresh. This is mint.
Okay.
We're planting here now. This is mint. So this is rosemary. And this is thyme.
Okay.
This is thyme. So when you are transplanting, sometimes you just have to tear the bags because some of them are very fragile in nature, especially this parsley. Parsley can be very fragile, so we don't want to destroy it. So we just have to tear just break the All right, so at this point we might just need to add some more soil to them because they really need it.
Okay.
It is when you begin to water them on a daily basis you see the importance of ensuring that
you have
they have enough soil. Don't worry that the height of the soil might be coming close to the top. Just continue. When you water it for 1 week, you will see the difference. Okay, we still have one lemon balm here. To ensure that the middle part is very strong, so that by the time you begin to water it, it's not falling to one part of the bag. Okay, the last phase is for us to now water them.
Okay.
So focus on the middle, let the water go down there and settle down.
But after today, we don't need to be wetting it like this, do we?
For the first 1 week, you can wet morning and evening. But if you're if the weather is very dry, so you can see some of the things we were explaining initially. See, as the excess water is coming out from the bag, some sand definitely will escape, some of the soil will escape.
Okay.
So that's why we need to have. Dry season, you can wet it twice in a day. But this time, once a day is ideal. It's okay.
So after now, there's no need for fertilizer, nothing. Just keep on harvesting
Yes.
or transplanting.
Yes.
Okay.
In the next 3 weeks, this celery now can be multiplied. So we just want it to stay for like 3 weeks, because by that time the leaves will come up more. We can harvest the leaves, then also multiply. How do we multiply it?
Okay.
We'll get our shear scissors, get the scissors here, and you can cut from this part. You can cut it from this part and you put it in another bag.
Okay.
By doing that, you're already multiplying it. So that's how every one of them were brought from the farm. So that's how you do it.
So if you are looking for solutions to create, look for solutions in agriculture, agribusiness and farming. So, and if you're looking for the best hand in that industry, I recommend to you Mr. Afo Joseph. He's been doing wonders. So very soon we'll also unveil some of the things that he is doing in his factory at Ogun State, and we'll let you know how you can also be part of this move. So till we'll see you next time, do have a wonderful day.